Are you in Madison, Wisconsin, and in desperate need of a fast, reliable, and hassle-free dumpster rental? Whether you're a homeowner with a major home makeover or a business owner running a bustling construction site, we've got the perfect solution for you. From tiny home cleanouts to massive demolition jobs, our dumpsters come in all sizes to fit your project. Why pay for more than you need? Pick the right size, save money, and complete your project with zero stress. Home renovation? Yard cleanup? Decluttering that garage that's been driving you crazy? Our residential dumpsters make it a breeze to stay organized and finish the job faster than you thought possible. And if you're overseeing a commercial or construction project, don't worry. Our heavy-duty dumpsters are tough enough to handle even the most extreme waste. Plus, we deliver to your site swiftly and pick it up even faster when you're done. Booking your dumpster is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Visit www.madisondumpsterrentals.com, choose your size, and schedule your delivery right when you need it. Why wait? Don't let junk pile up. Choose the best dumpster rental service in Madison, Wisconsin, and keep your project moving. Visit our website now to book your dumpster and revolutionize your waste management experience.